So hello and good day guys, welcome back to my channel. And right now I am going to teach you how to add your card to the Grab app. But just a disclaimer guys, there are some limitations to this tutorial because we can screen record the part where you're filling out the card details. Because the device guys won't let us screen record it for some privacy matter. And then right here guys, you just need to open the Grab app. Open that one. Okay. You will be directed to the home page of the Grab app. And then go to the bottom part, you will see several icons there. Please tap on the account icon on the far right. Then just scroll down a bit. Then go to the payment methods. Here guys, you can find the payment methods here and then just tap that one. And then you will see all the types of payment methods available and head over to the card section. And then once you tap on it guys, something will appear on your screen just like this. And it's up to you if you want to enter the details manually. This is what I mean when I say the screen will go black because you're entering something private. Like your account number guys. But don't worry guys, I will put an example form here for you to fill up so you can see how it works. And then after that one guys, you will see a continue button. Tap on it and you're all set. And please take note guys that by tapping continue, you agreed to the terms and conditions of this app. And that's it guys, that's how you add your card to your Grab app.